This reason is so unscientific.
这个理由太不科学了。这个理由太不科学了。
Stop talking nonsense, don't let others think you're.
别再乱说了，别让人以为你智障。别再乱说了，别让人以为你智障。
This joke is really toxic, it's making me laugh.
这个笑话简直有毒，笑到我不行。这个笑话简直有毒，笑到我不行。
Everyone is praising his new song excessively, they can't stop.
大家都对他的新歌狂喷，赞不绝口。大家都对他的新歌狂喷，赞不绝口。
This dish is so delicious, praise.
这道菜真的太好吃了，赞赞。这道菜真的太好吃了，赞赞。
Whatever, I don't care.
你随便了，我无所谓。你随便了，我无所谓。
This report is a mess.
这份报告写的真是母汤。这份报告写的真是母汤。
He got criticized right after expressing his opinion.
他发表意见后马上被打枪了。他发表意见后马上被打枪了。
Don't talk nonsense, things are not as you think.
别乱讲，事情并非你想的那样。别乱讲，事情并非你想的那样。
Stop pretending, get up and help.
别装死了，快起来帮忙。别装死了，快起来帮忙。
Please, pretty please, can you do me a favor?
拜托拜托，帮我个忙好吗？拜托拜托，帮我个忙好吗？
This outfit is blinding, really attractive.
这件衣服亮瞎眼，真的很吸引人。这件衣服亮瞎眼，真的很吸引人。
That joke made me burst out laughing, it's so hilarious.
那个笑话笑死我了，太好笑了。那个笑话笑死我了，太好笑了。
What happened today made me break down.
今天的事情让我崩溃了。今天的事情让我崩溃了。
He's a homebody, he likes staying at home.
他是个宅宅，喜欢待在家里。他是个宅宅，喜欢待在家里。
This kind of unfairness makes me furious.
这种不公平的事情让我超暴气。这种不公平的事情让我超暴气。
She almost fainted upon hearing this news.
听到这个消息让她差点晕倒。听到这个消息让她差点晕倒。
The computer has an issue, it needs reformatting.
电脑出问题了，需要重灌系统。电脑出问题了，需要重灌系统。
This joke is too complicated, I won't explain.
这个笑话太复杂，我不解释了。这个笑话太复杂，我不解释了。
His talent really shines and impresses people.
他的才华真的让人觉得亮了。他的才华真的让人觉得亮了。